You need engine data. You need it now, not later. Keep application 2.0.
Good day, you little lumpy nuggets. What do we got? You know, I don't always make a good video, but this week I'm making a video, so you'll have a video. I don't know. It's a two-parter. It's got extra bonus footage and such. You're going to love it. Or you won't. Hey, did I mention I have an app for sale? You should look into that. Love ya. See you later. Oh, all right. I don't mind that.
This was the big one where, you know, that was all rusted out. And then here, look. But that was that McGuire's plastic restore.
McGuire's play, yep.
Took it right off. And then, I mean, it's a mess right now. But look at these rubber mats that I bought.
Oh, yeah.
And I did the whole thing. And this is the chip guard.
Ah, oh, you really want to.
I left that white. He was
yeah.
trying to paint it black. I'm like,
no, that looks very good.
And then I bought the rubber mat instead of having the carpet in there.
Sure.
And this is all, we took this all apart, sprayed, and then I rolled that on. That was, it was $100 for a gallon of it.
Sure.
Raptor.
Okay. That's bedliner.
I got that at O'Reilly's.
Looks great. I'm into this. Let me get a wide shot here. Oh, that looks excellent.
Doesn't it? It looks like you can compare it to that one.
That's right. White? Yes, compared to the crappiness thereof.
And then I brought my mat.
I see. And hit it. Okay, so
that's overspray in there.
I was going to say, so this you brushed on, right?
This is all brushed.
Okay.
All this has been sprayed.
Okay, so now this is like a shut. Is it the same product? It feels a little bit.
No, this is what's called chip guard.
Okay.
Man,
this was called Shuts 100 years ago when I used to do it as a teenager.
You don't remember the dent?
Everybody's got that dent. This looks very good. Good old Barry Maguire.
You remember this in here?
Jerry Maguire. Very vaguely. I remember there was a crease, wasn't there?
Yeah, I hit an eye bolt with it.
That's right.
And he just shot the whole thing.
He's good. He should make money doing this.
Yeah, right.
You would think.
And like I said, he wanted to paint this white. I'm like, no, just cut it off, make it black. Be done with it.
No, that looks good.
She's bulletproof.
Very good.
And then I spray painted the grill with the
yeah, this hammer tone.
Hammer antique pewter.
Now we've all got a soft spot for hammer tone on appliances or furniture. That looks great. So is that now? This is just
spray paint.
Just regular spray paint.
Home Depot.
No primer. No nothing.
Yeah. Well, this paint it's for plastic.
Okay, so it's like that outdoor furniture.
Yep. So
yeah, it lays in there. It's thick.
The next is we're taking the hood off, and what I showed you inside the wheel well, that white. We're going to paint this whole thing white.
Ah.
The chip guard done with it.
Now I had a guy in here a long time ago where the whole van was done in olive drab.
I thought about doing that, but
it's a pretty cool look. Yeah.
And then you saw my silicone job.
I did. Yeah, this fan keeps getting better and better.
All right.
Very cool.
This is also my work. Remember what I was saying about hair ties and gaff tape? This is the magnet from a hard drive, an external hard drive. They're really strong. I wrapped it in gaff tape so it matches the exciting white finish. How many of you have this door flopping in the breeze or is just broken off already? It just does this.
Damn it,
Because the thing is broken. So you just put this thing on there and you slide it down and there it is. When you go pump gas, you can literally push this out of the way with the gas hose.
Wait a minute, I got a little horny for just a second. This reminds me of your mom. Okay, I'm done. That's an excellent fix. I shall call that the Tate lever.
There you go.
The Tate lever.
My app, Promaster Phone App, custom Promaster Phone App, it'll make you happy. Buy my app, buy my goddamn app.